Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can access free Starlink on your iPhone. As you can know that T-Mobiles have already set it up on a beta mode and providing the service for iPhone and many other devices as well. So what you need to do is just go to your Safari browser and open a tmobile.com, and something like this will appear on when you open the T-Mobile's website. You need to just scroll down, and while scrolling down, that there is an option which T-Mobile's have already given. You just need to register yourself here, and once going over here you just need to put your name, first name, last name, email and mobile number. After providing the mobile number, it will automatically allow you to use the Starlink on your iPhone for free. So that's how you can set up your Starlink on your iPhone, and T-Mobile is already giving this facility, and you should avail this by registering yourself. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please let me know if you further know any information. I'll try my best to answer as soon as I can.